Hiccups made her famous. Murder made her infamous. Jennifer Mee was a media darling turned killer. Her strange journey gripped the nation. In 2007, 15-year-old Jennifer got hiccups, 50 times a minute, for 5 weeks. She hit every TV show begging for a cure. Fame followed fast. By 2010, the hiccups were gone, but not her spotlight. She lured Shannon Griffin to a trap. Her pals robbed and shot him. 4 bullets ended his life. Arrested at 19, she confessed. In 2013, a jury gave her life with no parole. Was her fame a curse? Some still fight for her freedom. Guilty or cursed? You decide. Drop your take below. Like and follow for more true crime stories.